Are duplicate contacts messing up your HubSpot CRM? In this quick 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to create custom rules to identify duplicates in HubSpot so you can clean up your database and keep everything organized like a pro. Let's dive right in. First, log into your HubSpot account. From your dashboard, head over to the Contacts section. This is where all your contact management magic happens. Next, select a contact you suspect might have duplicates or any contact you'd like to start with. Once you've chosen one, click on the Actions button associated with that contact. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Duplicates. Now here comes the real power, creating custom rules to identify duplicates. HubSpot lets you set up rules based on several key criteria. Contact owner. Want to spot duplicates that belong to the same sales rep or team member? Set this as a rule. Contact. Name. This is the most common one. Use their name as a matching factor. Life cycle. Stage. Maybe you only want to catch duplicates in the same stage of your customer journey, like lead subscribers or opportunities. Create date. Filter duplicates based on when the contacts were added. Perfect for cleaning up old entries. Last activity date. Spot duplicates by their most recent interactions or updates. Discover date. If you've integrated external systems, this helps you find duplicates automatically flagged by those systems. Once you've configured your rules, HubSpot will scan your contacts and flag potential duplicates based on your settings. From there, you can review, merge, or dismiss them one by one, or handle them in bulk for maximum efficiency. And here's a pro tip: start with broader rules first, then narrow them down to avoid accidental merges. That way, you'll clean your database without losing valuable data. And that's how you create custom rules to identify duplicates in HubSpot. A clean CRM means better insights and smoother workflows. If this guide helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and let me know in the comments which rule you're planning to use first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.